Autonomy requires connectivity, and in mission-critical environments, failure is not an option. The Internet of Things thrives on dependable Wi-Fi and private 5G networks, and machine-to-machine systems demand ultra-reliable, low-latency signal performance. The PUCK-14 is built for these moments. A compact, rugged, 4x4 MIMO Wi Fi tri-band and private 5G antenna solution, engineered for the next generation of industrial and public space connectivity. Covering 2.4 to 7.2 GHz, the PUCK-14 delivers Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 7 and private 5G performance with ultra-high throughput, stable handovers, and a true omnidirectional pattern for consistent coverage in dense deployments. The PUCK-14 is the enabler for Wi-Fi or 5G mesh configurations. Built to endure the harshest conditions, it's IP69K and IK10 rated. Fire-resistant housing ensures uninterrupted reliability in high-temperature, dusty, or high-impact environments without compromising size. In factories, warehouses, on AMRs and UVs, to public venues, mining operations, mobility fleets, and campus networks. The PUCK-14 adapts effortlessly with flexible mounting options to ensure easy installation in a wide variety of use cases. So for a powerful antenna with a small profile that you can trust to empower your network, choose the PUCK-14 because it's compact, rugged, and future-proof. Pointing beyond a connected line.